Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Nicely Seller here, and if it's your first time here, welcome. And if you are a returning OG, welcome back. So this video is going to be way different from any other video I've done. One thing I've learned in the year of 2020 is that I need to be way more organized. So in order to accomplish that, I have bought me a planner for 2021. So the planner that I actually ordered from a Black-owned business. They are two sisters that are doing a planner business, and they're called the Goosby Twins. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm about to unbox here, please continue to watch. Okay, so I got my hand over my address, and I am just going to, I have not opened this box at all. All I did was tape it so that I can open it for you guys. So we are going to be surprised together, or we're going to be disappointed together. Okay. Oh, okay. So we got my slip. I also ordered some stickers as well to go with the planner. So let's see. So here is the card. That's their name, the Goosby Twins. They're on Instagram at, I believe it's at Goosby Twins or Goosby Twins Plan, and I actually found them through Elaine Mitchell here on YouTube. She did an unboxing for them of her planner, and I said, you know, I wouldn't mind having a planner that is, you know, and supporting another small Black business. So this is the thank you card. Ain't that nice? And it says, thank you for your purchase and support of our small business. It is individuals like you who keep our small business afloat. We hope you love your product. And it also comes with another code for my next purchase to get 10% off. And they said to tag us in your photos on social media to be featured on our page using the following hashtags. And they got their hashtags there at the bottom. So that's that. Here is a picture of the sisters, and this is also another thank you card. So that's the sisters, and yeah, this is another thank you card. So you get two thank you cards. How cute! And then they have another card here. It's kind of like a business card, and it has all their contact information on the back, their website, their social media information, and all that. And then here is, oh, how cute. This is a card, like a business card of their Instagram. So that's how, I guess, the front or back looks. And this is the other side. It's like a view of their Instagram. Ain't that crazy? So now you at least know where to find them on Instagram, and their Instagram is Goosby Twins Plan with 2 N's. Okay. And then we get this big old card. Wow. Ain't nothing like being appreciative of your customers, of your clients, and being appreciative for those who actually patron your store. So that is cool. Okay, now let's get to this. Okay, so on top of the additional stickers I ordered, we'll come back to that. But we want to get to this right here. This is what we came for. This is the, you know, this is the creme de la creme. So I'm just going to close this up, and we're going to put this to the side and get it on out our way. And okay, so I'm gonna open it this way so you guys can see it. So I opted to go with the black cover. I just wanted something simple and sleek. So they had actual other covers that you can get, or they had covers that you can get and and switch them out for this one, but I really just wanted to stick with something black and sleek. So when you open it, it has this parchment paper right here with this crown. This crown is everything. This is beautiful. And then you go on, you put your name this planner belongs to, and then you have your 2021 again with their information here at the bottom, and a little note from them, little inspirational notes. And I love that it has the future dates right here, where it goes from 2021 all the way to 2024. So, you know, in case you needed to plan something ahead or super ahead or whatever. And then you had your special occasions here, so that you know, like the actual like holidays, daylight savings time, Juneteenth, Father's Day, Indigenous Peoples Day, daylight savings time in, and all that jazz, right? And then here you have January. On each month it has this nice quotes. For each month they have a quote. So that's January, and you open it up, you have your full month here. Another reason why I picked this planner is because it reminded me of the Erin Condren planner. And so I have had Erin Condren planners for a while. I usually order one every Black Friday. And so when I saw this planner, I said, you know, this reminds me of Erin's, and I would rather, you know, support a small business, so why not? So we open it, and here we are with the weekly breakdown. And I love that it starts on Monday, because to me the week starts on Monday. It doesn't start Sunday, it starts Monday. So you can fill out your tasks or whatever happened. You got your little notes area. It tells you when New Year's Day is, and it just goes week by week. You have an area right here for your little notes. And again, on each month they have some type of quote, inspirational quote. This one is by the late Ruth Ginsburg, the Supreme Court Justice that passed away this year. And everything is the same. It's black and white and hints of gray, which to me is easy to cover if you wanted to use planner stickers or what have you, or if you just wanted to bring in your own color. It's a simple neutral color scheme, and that's another thing that I liked about it. And here at the end of the month, you have your bills when they're due. So they have a little mini calendar here for you to put when your bills are due and the amount, so that you can keep up with the, you know, sometimes we need to see the day, especially say if your bill is due on the 27th, which is on a Saturday. You're going to have to pay it a day early so that it can hit, you know, so they come out that business day, right? And then also a money saving chart. So this is broken down by weeks. And I guess however much you save per week, and you can put your total there and any other notes you want to put there. And then they have additional note pages here. I think it's about 3 note pages or 4. And you could just jot down any thoughts you have. Maybe something comes up and say, oh, well, I need to make a note of this, that in July I have this going on, and blah 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 blah, or any goals or what have you might want to do for the month. So it just gives you a variety of things that you're able to actually accomplish with this planner. So we're going to take it to the back, and here you have notes. Like this is just all notes. So you have line note pages. I love this because sometimes I just have a thought and just need to jot it down. And then you have the grid dot pages. I actually don't understand the essence of these dotted pages in the planner world. Maybe I need to Google that and figure it out, but I really don't know. And some people actually just use these dots just to doodle and make stuff with. So, and then we also have the blank white pages here, so that you can just doodle if you don't like use a line paper or whatever. Maybe you want to draw, maybe you want to just, you know, maybe you feel more comfortable using this kind of paper. So it gives you, again, a variety. And then you have this folder here where you can keep little things like pamphlets, brochures, cards, or what have you that you might accumulate throughout the year. And it's on both sides. So that is it for the planner. I love it. I hope that I use it well. I have a habit of starting and forgetting and then trying to keep everything in my head, and I cannot continue to do that. So let's get into the stickers. So the first set of stickers I have is called the packaging stickers. So I got these for when I have to pack orders so that I can kind of keep a tally of how many orders I do within a week or within a month. And then I have some sticker kits. So the first sticker kit I have is this one, and it's called Stay at Home. I just thought it was so cute because right now we're at a at-home space, so it just, you know, you can read. It gives you a variety of different things: read, working out, studying, just relaxing, bubble bath, or what have you. They had another kind of one, but I don't know, I just was more, I like this one better. So they do have other kits on their site. If you're interested, just go to their website, and I'll have all their information in the description box below. This one is called Unity. I really loved this one, and I will be using this one probably in February because it's girl power, unity. It reminds me of you know, women coming together of all different ethnicities, all different walks of life, and women coming together. And then I have this one, which is black and white, and it is just black girl magic. It's black, white, and gray, very neutral, just very very neutral, very pretty. You have different types of women on here, from Afrocentric to classy to just regular girls just doing their thing, and I just really loved it. I loved her story. I loved the My Black is Beautiful, and I loved the Black Queen. So yeah. And the last one I got, which is what I'm going to use now, is Happy New Year. And I just think that it is so gorgeous. Of course, we're not really celebrating with people right now, but I can still live vicariously through the women in the stickers. So if you are interested in seeing me actually lay out this kit in my planner, leave a comment below and also thumbs up this video, and I will record that and get that out. Again, this is a new kind of video for me, but I needed something to keep my life in order. So that is it for me, guys. That is it. I really appreciate you sticking around, watching this video, and I appreciate all your support, and I appreciate all the love that you guys give to me in my videos. Feel free to comment, feel free to thumbs up the video, and also please continue to be safe. I know with the holidays, it is difficult for us to stay away from our families and loved ones, but we're going to come out on the other side of this. So if we do right now, we can enjoy it later. So you guys have a happy and prosperous new year, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.